What's up, boss lady crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I'm about to get ready to make some tuna fish, y'all. So I use 13 cans of my this tuna. You can get it from Save a Lot. Onion, bell pepper, some Miracle Whip. 3 of these what you call that, celery, Domino sugar, any kind of sugar, 8 eggs, yellow mustard, honey mustard, obey, lemon pepper, Thousand Islands, slap your mama, y'all, onion powder, paprika, some pepper, adobo seasoning. I had got this from like Save a Lot. Accent. You can go anywhere to get these seasonings, wherever you shop at your local grocery store. So these are all the ingredients I use to make my tuna fish, y'all. So what I did was drain the cans of tuna, the water out the tuna, and put it in this big bowl. See, I make it for a big old family, so y'all like, damn, no, that's a lot to go on some tuna. Yeah, it is, but I mean, that's how I make mine. And I just diced it up real good. The celery, I diced all the vegetables up, and then I put it in the bowl. See, dice them up small. Do the bell peppers like that as well. And like I said, I make tuna fish for like my whole family, for a family of 8, and you gotta make it stretch. And then this stuff be gone. Like, my kids and my husband love tuna fish. Like, I have to make this stuff all the time, especially it's getting hot outside. So it's a good way, to start making meals that don't require the stove. So, yeah, I use 8 eggs. I have boiled the eggs. And I'm about to take the Miracle Whip. This one only got a little bit in there. And I'm just scraping what was left in there. And then I'm just going to throw that away and use the other container. I don't do measurements, y'all. So, I'm sorry. I probably put like damn near half of that jar up in there. For real. Because you don't want no dry old tuna fish. No. And I know you're like, why it's going to be dry if you putting all that stuff in there? It's not, but it's going to be bomb. This is how I make mine all the time. Everybody do theirs differently. But I guarantee that if you make it this way, it's good. I'm telling y'all, you can never go wrong. I put the honey mustard, the mayonnaise, the relish, a little bit of mustard. I put all the ingredients in there that I just showed y'all. Ain't no particular way, just, put enough in there. And I got some Old Bay. I'm telling y'all, like, if y'all do it this way, y'all be like, oh, this girl knows she could cook. Don't put too much seasonings. You can season it to your liking, y'all, for real. Like I said, it looked like a lot of seasoning, but it's actually not because of how big the bowl is. You know what I'm saying? So, take your time. Y'all know I use that slap your mama on everything because that stuff is banging. But this is the way I make my tuna fish. And like I said, it don't last in the house. It don't even be no leftovers. That's how good this dang on tuna fish is. You make it like this, I'm telling you. And I be really having, like, my seasoning cabinet is, like, full, like, to the max. And like I said, get this adobo seasoning. Like, you can get this from, like, Save a Lot or they... Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. And a little pepper. This tuna fish go hard, y'all. And when I get to mixing it up, like I said, it look like a lot of seasonings, but it's not. For real. And I probably use, like, each one, maybe like a teaspoon full of seasonings. But, like, enough sugar in there. Y'all, and I just mix this stuff. Just mix it my tuna fish. And like I said, it's getting warm outside. And you can, make this with your kids or when you're having little parties and get-togethers. You know what I'm saying? This is a great, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step. You know what I'm saying? And, put it in the refrigerator and cool, and it'll get you full. It'll get you real full. Yeah? And just continue to mix it. Like I said, I'm making this for a family of 8. So, like I said, this don't never last. It don't never be leftovers. And see how I plated it with different crackers. You can eat it with crackers. Or this the bonus, y'all. This how these sandwiches be banging. Do it like I'm showing y'all. For real, for real, for real. And I just take the cheese and do it on both breads. Because the tomatoes, I know y'all like tomatoes. Yes, do it. Do it. Do it. It bang. It just bang. Put the tomatoes on there with the cheese, a little tuna on there. And you know what? Go fire that stove up. Put a little butter in that pan like you about to make a cheese grill. A grilled cheese. And let it cook on both sides, baby. Ooh, I'm trying to tell you, and I know you're like, you can't put mayonnaise in. Baby, do this. Do this. You look at that. You gonna bang that sandwich. That sandwich tastes bomb ass. Make sure you butter up your skillet before you put it in there. Baby, it's bomb. It's the bomb. Hit me in the comments if it's good.